Wow! Looking outside at all the snow and the snowfall, it already feels like an early white Christmas now. It's snowing in the UK right now, and the early morning air is quite cold. I'm really hungry, so I have decided to whisk up some third pancake to fill me up, and then I will brew a nice potato with freshly ground coffee beans. I usually make this for my afternoon snack, but today I feel like having it right after waking up. Maybe being hungry is what got me up early. I really enjoy eating pancakes, especially when I make them fresh at home. While I'm cooking, I will sprinkle about a tablespoon of sugar on the top butter pancake top and make more holes appear. I like to sprinkle some butter on top. There are three types of salted butter brands that I love in the UK. For a quick fillings, I use KP Original Roasted Peanut, which I pour into a grinder to turn into ground powder or peanut butter. Depending on how smooth or chunky you want it, I also love to add roasted black sesame seed, which I grind into fine black sesame powder and mix with granulated sugar to taste. I will share the full recipe, including the pancake fillings, because this is one of my go-to afternoon snacks or any time when I'm feeling hungry at home. It's incredibly delicious and nutritious to prepare it yourself at home. Look at the texture, so beautifully done. Here is my backyard garden in mid-May 2025, which is a testament to the hard work Italy Paul put into it. It's filled with tulips and daffodils, resembling a dream garden. The atmosphere is so peaceful and relaxing. In a bowl, add 100 grams of cake flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 70 grams of whole milk. If you want a really thin and crispy pancake, you can add 80 grams to 90 grams. Lastly, crack one free-range egg. To whip up some light and fluffy pancakes, start by mixing the dry ingredients together. Then add in the wet ingredients and stir softly until everything is combined. But don't worry if there are a few lumps in the batter. If you mix too much, it can cause gluten to forms, which will make your pancake tart and chewy instead of light and fluffy. Preheat the pan on medium-low heat. Then pour in the butter, adjusting the thickness to your preference. If you are not particularly hungry, I recommend to make a thin and crispy version for a light snack. Sprinkle sugar evenly on the butter and cook it until the bottom turns a nice golden brown. Stirring care of any dark or burnt spot. Each piece should take about 5 minutes. You can also add some fiery ground black sesame on top for a richer flavor. I really enjoy it and it's good for you too. Plus, I have used homemade black sesame paste as a fillings. I have a healthy recipe for making black sesame paste and peanut butter the right way, so be sure to check out the link in my video at the end. It's one of my smart husband Italy Paul favorite snacks at home, especially for afternoon munchie with hot drink like coffee or milk tea. It brings him so much joy and put a smile on his face. If you love food art, think about subscribing to the Italy Paul YouTube channel. If you haven't done so yet, he effortlessly crafts cute vegetables and food carvings, inspired by his creativity imaginations.
The best pancake ever.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to answer all your curiosity. Thanks for watching.
呢個薄薄㗎，
好酥脆嘅。
嗯
你估唔估到裡面有咩餡料呢？
有花生、牛油啊，
自家製嘅花生醬，咁我加咗合桃，所以佢有特殊嘅香味嘅。
好好食。
你食起嚟係咪好 creamy 呢？
薄薄㗎。
入口即溶。嗰啲餡料夠冇？
好多，好香啊！好好食。
你係有多一塊，我整咗俾你。係啊。
好
再配埋你最中意 cup of tea。
哇
Enjoy your afternoon tea。下午茶時間到啦。Here is a close-up video showing you all how crispy and thin these pancakes are. Them are called crispy peanut pancake, kind of like cracker, and I'm sure you will love them. Remember, you don't have to put a lid on while cooking this type of pancake. It's a crispy version. One more tips for you guys. You can shred up peanuts or walnuts, or blend them together for a more unique flavor. Here is an example how I grind peanuts into a fine powder or even make peanut butter. It's a tasty mixture. Check out the video link at the end. I hope you find this video helpful and that you can whisk up some delicious pancake at home too.